Hi student, I am Asya Tiwari, associate teacher, and our lesson is going on in the geography. The lesson is very interesting, manufacturing industries. Hope all the students are continue attend the lesson. So our topic of the day is factors in the location of industries. Means which factors are very responsible to settle the industries in a certain place. If the certain factors are not available, then the industries cannot be settled in the place very difficultly. It have to settle. Many of the challenges the industry have to face. So, which are the kind of factors which are very important to settle the industries? Let's we look. So, student, in the first, availability of the raw material. Raw material means the kind of primary product which are very important or essential for the industry, because in industries all these raw material are manufactured into the final product, and final product where these product can be turned into the consumer goods, and consumer goods which are ready to sold in the market. So that is very important things, that the availabilities of the raw material should be very frequently for the industries, otherwise it can face many of the challenges. And second factor is the powers. Powers means kind of the way to generate the electricity, because without the power supply, and especially the frequent power supply, so student, frequent power supply is very important for running the industries. Without the frequent supply of the power, the industries cannot be settled and very successfully. So it is very important needs and necessities for settling the industries for such places where the availabilities of the power supply should be very frequently and very ensured. Otherwise, any industries cannot be set up. Third factor is the levers. Levers means the kind of different type of the levers which are very important for settling the industry, especially the manual lever. Manual levers which are very important for such places where the mostly the work is you will say dependent over the workers or over the people who have mostly you will say dependent for their daily wages, and these daily wages workers can be available only such areas where there is a density of the population. So you have seen that many of the industries are located in such places where there is a frequent supply of the manual laborers, or the people who can be migrate from that areas where they are living, and where they can reach on that areas where the industries are available. So such industries such as the jute industries, the coal industries, the iron industries, we have seen these industries are available on such areas where the people are living in very huge numbers, means there is a population density, and it is very successful. Next one is the transportation. Transportation is very important for the settling of the industries, because cost of the transportation of the goods can be not very, you will say, good or very favorable for the settling of the industry. If the far reaching of the places for that area where the industry is located, and where it has needed to supply the raw material and many of the goods after the manufacturing, the goods have to be transported into the marketplace. So there can be the very huge cost, and it may not very favorable for the settling of the industry. So you have seen that such industries are located in such areas where the easy and very you say feasible transportation is available there. So transportation means the kind of roadways, the railways, the shipping, and the airways, because all these kind of the transportation is very favorable for the kind of industries, for that industries otherwise it cannot be successfully settled. So such as India, where the steel and iron steel plant are located at the areas where the shipping or the harbors are available, such as the Visakhapatnam, Marmagu, and so many other shipyards are there where the such industries are located. So it is very fruitful for the settling of the industry. Next factor is that the market. Market means where the manufactured goods can be consumed, or there could be the kind of a proper consumption of the I will say manufactured goods. So market is very important things for the manufacturing of the industry. Suppose the industry is located at the remote areas and the market is very far reaching of the places, so it could not be fruitful for the settling of the industries. Next factor is that the government policy. Government policies, I will tell you especially about the kind of way the government is giving the relaxation to the industries as well as for the say securing the right of the people, especially the factory laws, labor laws, and as well as for the successful of the industries in India, because India is growing day by day the hub of the industries at the international level. So kind of the way the government of India is giving the kind of relaxation for the settling of the industries such as the SEZ. SEZ means a special economic zone. The special economic zone is the areas where the industries which are settling in that areas, they can get the kind of relaxation, means they cannot pay the 5 year period the taxation system. So this can be very favorable for the settling of the industry, and such areas where this kind of the relaxation or the subsidies has been given by the government. Next factor is that the capital. Capital is a very important. I should tell this factor at the first number or the second number, but I have not told it. So student, our last factor is urbanization. Urbanization means the cities which are located at the areas where the industries are available there. So in such way the urbanization is very friendly for the settling of the industries. How, I will tell you in the next will say topic. So student, industrialization and urbanization move hand in hand, means without the industrialization and urbanizations are mutually dependent on each other. Why? Because industries take the support from urbanization means cities, and urbanization means cities. They are dependent over the industries because their development is totally dependent over the industry. How? We can see that. So the first, cities provide market. Cities provide the market, and without the cities market cannot be available for the growth of the industries, because if the industries are growing the kind of final goods, so where these final goods can be sustained, because without the consumption the achievement of the industries cannot be seen. So it is very important things that cities which are very important for providing the market, such kind of the market, we can say the very settled market. Second one is provide various services like the banking, because banking is a kind of platform which is a totally, will say, beneficial for the industries, because without the investment of the money any industries cannot be set up. Second is insurance, because without the insurance industries, if they are getting the kind of hazards or any kind of you will say difficulties or the kind of hazards, so these kind of the insurance schemes are very beneficial for the industry. Second, the next one is transport. Transport, which is very important for the success of the industries, because easy and efficient kind of the transport is very successful for the industries, because the transportation system is very efficient and very strong, and is very, will say, network is very densely available in the country, so it can also achieve the industries at the highest growth. Next one is labor. Labor, which is also I would say mostly dependent over the cities, because in cities there are many kind of the person who are living there, many kind of the person means the person who are working in the organized sector and unorganized sector. Unorganized sector means the untrained person who are working in that kind of industries, which can be called the seasonal industries, or people who are working in the disguised way of the working. Means mostly they are not working throughout the year. So in such way, the cities they have a lot of a huge population, and this huge population is source of labor or the manual force for the industries. Next one is that the consultancy. Consultancy is very important because these consultancy cannot be provided by the villages, not by the towns. These consultancy can be provided by the kind of cities. Because cities there is a kind of a big centers which provide their call center or the consultancies, and these consultancy centers they give the kind of advices which are very meaningful for settling of the industry, because the nature of the industries can be dependent over the areas. Means geography, politics, history, and people who are living that areas, their religions are very important to know it. So without this information, say without this consultancy, any industries cannot be set up. Next one is financial and legal advices. Because financial and legal advices are available in the cities, because in these areas the kind of people who are working here as a lawyers, and they are you will say giving the kind of source of advices which are very meaningful for the settling of the industries. And without this kind of the advices, any industries cannot be successful. So the industries, if they are settling in the area where they are getting this source of information from the cities, only these sources are available only in the cities. Next one is that the many industries come together to get the I will say major benefit, so they form agglomeration economies. Means suppose the cotton industries is available in the cities, so many of the other will say by industries can be come together to give the growth or give the development of the cotton industries, such as the paper industries, wrapper industries, color industries, many of the kind of industries. Suppose a sugar industry is available there, so many kind of the other related industries can be settled there, so that these industries can be grown very parallelly, and it can give the kind of boost for the success of the industry. We have remember that India, when the colonial power came to India, so many of the colonial powers they had settled their industries only in the areas where these areas were known as a urban centers of the cities, such as Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Kolkata. So these are some areas, Bengaluru, Visakhapatnam. These are some areas where the Britishers had settled their industry only because of the cities. They were the lot of source of the information, and as well as they are providing a kind of good and many of the other services which are very important for the success of the industries. So student, I hope you can understand well. So you enjoy this lecture, and please make the notes parallel with the lecture. It will helpful for you. Thank you.